So I like to build a small insert press for thread inserts, and for this I got some thread inserts on Amazon, but I also saw them much cheaper on AliExpress. And this is a hot gun holder for the robot. I bought me also a soldering iron. It was just the cheapest one with temperature control. Quite short cable. There are also some other inserts, but I do not like those, and I'm getting also two different insert press adapters, and yeah, so I will prefer more like those because they are better interchangeable. So you're getting the main adapter, you just unscrew it, remove it from the heater, insert this one, and then you can insert the Then I'm getting press drill adapters printed in different orientations. So on this side from the printing with support, or without support, or in this orientation. Just for purpose, what will least better. And now comes the most important part, the press itself. And so let's see what you're getting in the press. Instructions, some Allen key, the rod, and that's it. Getting here a limiter. This is the press itself. This is how the thing looks like. The other way around, but I like it more like in this orientation. Take the Allen key, just go to the limiter and okay, now that is a little more complicated. Take the instruction. So round is also something other, but who buys cheap gets cheap. So this is a self-secure screw. We need some other tools. To screw it, so I use this universal wrench. Complicated. But it's working. Here you can limit it, how deep you are going. Okay. Let's see if we can attach the Allen key to the side. Yeah, ready. And then we take the let's take those that are printed without support. So this orientation. There it goes. It's more genuine to put those underneath. Okay. Take Allen key. Now it's fixed. Okay, we need a bit more height. Enough. So let's get some power. So this is how this looks from the side. Getting perfect press from top. It's getting warm. Insert some. Thing about the M3 thread is that they got in this groove in the start, so it's easier to start to press. So you can insert it this way around. Spring is, I think, a little bit too tight. result. Press perfectly inserted threads.